If your iPhone storage is always running out and you keep deleting photos or apps to free up space, and wait a second before you delete anything. There's a genius iPhone feature that can reclaim a huge amount of storage without losing a single byte of your data. Follow along and you'll be surprised. This feature is called Offload App. It allows your phone to temporarily remove the app itself to save space. Keep all your personal data within the app, including accounts, settings, and documents. So the app is removed, but everything related to use stays safely stored in the system. And once you reinstall it, it opens exactly as if it was never deleted. For example, imagine you only have 2 gigabytes of free space, and Instagram is taking up 1.8 gigabytes. Instead of deleting it and logging in again from scratch, use Offload App. In seconds, your free space jumps to 3.8 gigabytes, and when you need the app again, just tap it. It'll reinstall automatically. The same applies to apps like Netflix, Telegram, or even heavy games like... So, how do you use the Offload App feature? It's super simple, step by step. Open Settings. Go to General. Select iPhone Storage. Wait for your phone to calculate the storage used by each app. Choose the app taking up a lot of space. Tap the blue Offload App option. Wait for the process to finish. You'll notice the app icon still appears on your home screen, but with a small cloud symbol. That means the app is not currently installed, but its data is still saved on your device. When you reinstall the app, just tap the icon, your iPhone will download it again from the App Store, and when it opens, everything will be exactly as it was before. Keep in mind, this feature removes the app completely, including its cache files. So, if an app keeps freezing or draining your battery, sometimes using Offload App can actually fix the issue. However, some apps, like games, might lose your progress if they're not connected to a cloud account. So before offloading any game, make sure it's linked to Game Center or your account. You can't offload core system apps like Settings, Phone, Messages, Camera. This feature is available from iOS 11 up to the latest version available today. In short, Offload App is one of Apple's smartest innovations for users who struggle with limited storage. It's not just temporary deletion. It's a smart way to manage your space without hassle or data loss. Use it wisely. Regularly check iPhone storage. Offload apps you rarely use. Turn on the automatic offload option so your phone manages space by itself. See you in the next video.